I'm Lindsay Presentation, and I am a front-end engineer. Prior to coming to the Iron Yard, I was really into the tech, publishing, and media arts scene. I went to school for media arts and design, and always found interest in UI development and kind of creating functionality and making a person's experience with anything that they're using a really, really good and efficient one. So what Travis and I have developed is called Auditorium, and it is a conferencing app for the digital age. And basically what it does, it's a few-to-many application to connect users in an intellectual, fun, and visually stimulating way. So here's a couple screenshots of what we have. And to achieve this, from the front end, I use JSON Web Tokens for authentication, also Sass and Bourbon mixins for the design aspect, as well as AngularJS to persist data and hook up to the Rails backend API. So with this kind of application, it's designed to be used in lectures, events, and presentations, such as Demo Day. And Travis is going to be able to go a little bit into depth with the actual functionality and the video conferencing aspect itself.
Hello. Hi, I'm Travis. I'm the other half of this thing. So yeah, so I wanted to hit on a couple, just two quick key points that kind of struck me while working on this project. The first is, the second relates to that, but the first is just kind of generally, it's a pretty cool process working together with another developer with a different skill set to see kind of how things fit together and how things start coming together, to where by the end the application takes on a life that is way better than you could have done by yourself, just by combining those kinds of skill sets together. It's really nice. I liked it quite a bit. Just kind of seeing that come together. The second point, I guess, relates to this. So it's a video conferencing application. It's browser using WebRTC. And in doing that, we get to kind of take on a lot of these challenges where, we gotta, put things back in the database, we gotta signal out to the browsers in real time, keep everything synced up, keep the video conferencing sessions going and everything together. It was a nice challenge, and it was a nice thing to learn about. One thing that I took away from it is that we're using this in kind of its, one of its intended cases, video conferencing. But looking forward, I think you could do some really cool stuff with WebRTC. I mean, you're doing real-time signaling browser to browser, and you could attach data to that. And so you could, the possibilities that you could do with that, it's pretty endless. I'm kind of looking forward to going forward. Maybe seeing some libraries built up around that, some abstraction and higher level stuff built up around that to make some cool use cases happen. So yeah. That's pretty much it. I did want to mention we did have one kind of cool moment where we were working on our app, and then all of a sudden we kind of ran into each other and started communicating over our app, and it was kind of a cool moment to talk about what we're doing with our application in our actual application. It was kind of nice.
If you want to learn more, we'll be right after everyone else. We hope to talk to you a little bit more about WebRTC and the processes that we went through and show you what we need.
Awesome, thanks guys. Next up we have